Hello everybody, welcome. I'm Francesco from Studioventisette, Meetings
Hi.
and Communication Services, an agency based in Verona. Now I want to tell you about Verona as my colleague now, but for one of the best vocation of the city, Love City, as my colleague said before. And Verona, during the Valentine's Week, mid-February, has an important event. And this is an important occasion to visit and to program a travel, a journey to Verona, the city of love. This is a festival. We are the management and we are the organizer. The festival is named Verona in Love. Verona in Love is a kermesse of 4 days hosted in the best spots, historical spots of the center of the city and the landscape, and is a developing of concerts, performing arts, meetings, ballets, tango, for example, readings of book, actors' performances. In fact, all the performances are based on the theme of love and on the theme of the novel of William Shakespeare, Romeo and Juliet. And the event is a part of about 100 events for the love team. And there are also 2 awards. The first is named Scrivimi per Amore, and this is an award hosted by the Juliet Club. The Juliet Club, maybe you have seen on the movie Letters to Juliet, no? Okay, and is the awards tell the citizenship and also the visitors about what happened truly in Verona during the Love's Days. And the second also award is a music songs awards named Arte d'Amore. And as you can saw on the video before, there is a stage, and the awarded musician will perform the last days on the stage. Furthermore, there is a big loves market hosted in the central Piazza Dante, and for the lovers, there are some wine taste, chocolate taste, and also there is a sport chapter. In fact, there is a professional half marathon named Giulietta Romeo half marathon. So a lot of things to do, and is it for in our opinion is the best occasion to come and visit Verona in mid-February during the Valentine's Week. And this is an experience of the Italian way of life in a context of a loves event. For an information, veronainlove.it, the website. Now talks Carlo about wine. Thank you.
Thank you.